How bail and bond works in Texas. If you or someone you love has been arrested in Texas, one of the first things you're going to hear is, what's the bail? And suddenly you're trying to figure out a system you've never dealt with before under some of the most stressful circumstances of your life. Today we're breaking down exactly how bail and bond works in Texas, from the moment of arrest to what happens if something goes wrong. Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. Bail is a dollar amount set by a judge that allows someone who's been arrested to be released from jail while their case moves through the court system. It's not a fine and it is not a punishment. It's a financial promise to the court that you will show up to every required court date. The foundation of bail is simple. You are innocent until proven guilty. The law doesn't want to keep someone locked up for months while they wait for their case to be resolved if they haven't been convicted of anything. Pay your bail, go home. Don't pay it, you sit in jail until your case is resolved, and that could take months. If you show up to every court date, that money is returned to you at the end of the case, regardless of the outcome. Bail gets set at a hearing. In Texas, you must be brought before a magistrate within 24 to 48 hours of your arrest. At that hearing, the judge considers several factors: the severity of the charge, your criminal history, your ties to the community, whether you're a flight risk, and whether you pose a danger to the public or to anyone involved in the case. Based on all of that, the judge sets a number. That number can range from a few $100s to millions depending on the circumstances. And this is where having a defense attorney early matters. A good attorney can argue for a lower bail amount right there at that first hearing, which could mean the difference between going home or sitting in jail while your case plays out. Now, let's talk about the 4 types of bond in Texas. Because bail is the amount, but a bond is how you actually secure your release. First is a personal recognizance bond, a PR bond. This is the best case scenario. The judge releases you on your word alone with no money required up front. PR bonds are typically reserved for lower-level offenses, first-time offenders, and people with strong community ties. Second is a cash bond. You or someone on your behalf pays the full bail amount directly to the court. If you attend all your court dates, you get that money back at the end. The downside is obvious. Not everyone has thousands of dollars available right after an arrest. Third, and most common, is a surety bond through a bail bondsman. You pay the bondsman 10% of the total bail amount, and they post the full amount with the court on your behalf. That 10% is non-refundable. It's their fee. But for most families, paying 10% is far more manageable than coming up with the full amount. Just know that if you skip court, the bondsman will come looking for you. Fourth is a property bond, where you use real estate as collateral instead of cash. The property must have enough equity to cover the full bail amount. Show up to court and your property is safe. Fail to appear and the court can move to foreclose on it. Property bonds are less common, but can be an option in high bail situations. When bail is granted, the judge will often attach conditions to your release, rules you must follow while your case is pending. These can include regular check-ins with a pretrial officer, drug or alcohol testing, an ankle monitor, surrendering your passport, or staying away from certain people or locations. Violating any condition can send you straight back to jail. Take every single one of them seriously. And let's be very clear about what happens if you miss a court date. The judge immediately issues a warrant for your arrest. Your bond is forfeited, that money is gone, and your bondsman will actively be looking for you. When you're arrested again, you'll likely face a much higher bail or no bail at all. On top of that, failure to appear is its own separate criminal offense in Texas. Missing court never makes your problems go away. It multiplies them. Bail and bond moves fast. Decisions get made in the first 24 to 48 hours that affect everything that follows. Having an experienced defense attorney involved from the very beginning means someone is fighting for a lower bail, guiding you through the conditions of your release, and building your defense from day one. Don't navigate this alone if you don't have to. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more Texas law breakdowns. Check out our other videos covering felony levels, misdemeanor levels, expunctions, and non-disclosure orders. We'll see you in the next one.